what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your return and start over in TurboTax. So first, you may want to head over to TurboTax and of course, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to click on any button just to get us to our home page. And next in the left panel, just click on Tax Tools. Scroll down, then once again click on Tools, and a new window will then pop up. And as you can see here, there's a link here that says clear and start over. So all you have to do is basically just click on this link, and TurboTax will ask you if you are sure that you want to clear your return. And there's a note here that says clearing your return erases your information and lets you start over. So it is important to think twice and decide if you really want to remove everything in your account, for you can't undo any changes you will do from here. And once you're decided, just head over and click on yes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!